In a catastrophic injury case where the injured victim has suffered severe and horrible disabling injuries and they cannot care for themselves, chances are they're either in a nursing home, a rehabilitation facility, or maybe they're at home getting 24-hour care. Well, rather than bringing the jury into their home or into their lives, which is very difficult to do, what a day-in-the-life video is designed to do is to give the jury an insight and a look directly into that person's life from the beginning when they wake up in the morning through to the end of the day. This way it allows them to see from the viewpoint of what happens every single day with that particular injured victim. Video is a great way to explain to a jury exactly what has gone on. So what we do is we actually go in and video the patient, video the injured victim, and show them and show what they can and can't do throughout the entire course of the day. It gives the jury an insight and an understanding into exactly what this person has to deal with on an everyday basis. It's one thing to have somebody else talk about what you went through. It's another thing for the jury to actually see with their own eyes and to hear exactly the disability that the person has. To see that they cannot get up from a wheelchair, that they cannot get up and go to the bathroom on their own, that they need help clearing out a tube that's in their throat, that they need help to be bathed, that they need assistance to go to the bathroom, that they cannot do any of these things on their own. Only then does the jury truly get an insight and a true understanding of what this person has to deal with. And it's not just what that person has to deal with, it's the entire family environment that now has to contribute and is now affected as a result of this person's injuries. Because every single member in the household and every family and friend that comes to visit now has to see and interact with that particular person, and they are also affected. So that type of video follows the person from morning till night. And this way we give the jury an encapsulated version of exactly what this person must endure on a daily basis. So why do I tell you about this? Why do you need to know this information? This is just one more piece of information about the legal process, the litigation process here in the state of New York, in an accident case, in a wrongful death case, in a medical malpractice case. And chances are you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I answer legal questions just like yours every day. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.